So what's the deal with all the comments recently about remote controls that stop working on those Fire TV sticks? I've been getting it a lot lately, and I'll tell you right now, most of the time, I would say probably 99% of the time, you can fix it. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix it. It's going to be a really quick video. Let's go. All right, so in today's video, I'm actually going to fully reset the remote. There's been times in other videos I've done where I've resynced it to your TV, but everybody's situation is different as to why it stopped working. So I'm literally going to completely reset this remote to brand new factory, and you'll notice a big difference, improvement in reaction when you are going around the screen. The voice seems to work a little bit better. All these things because you haven't reset it in a long time. And it's a silly thing, but you got to do it. It won't take long. We're going to do it today. It's actually 7 steps. It may seem a little confusing, but it's actually not. Just follow along, and I'll put writing on the screen so you can make sure you do each step right. I'll even do a diagram here, and we're really going to get into this, guys, because I want your remote to work for you better or at all. If it doesn't work at all, we're going to fix it today, no matter what your situation is. And that's my goal. So let's get right into it. Before I do that, I am going to be giving away a brand new Fire TV Stick 4K Max on this video once this video gets 1,000 likes. So if you're new to my channel, I do these giveaways all the time. I'll do Firestick videos and then give away a Firestick. So once this gets 1,000 likes, I will do a drawing. To enter, all you have to do is hit that like button, that little thumbs up right down below, comment something about this video, and simply make sure you are subscribed. And I've done some giveaways in the past, and people have missed out on the prize because they didn't even know about the drawing. So make sure you do have your notifications turned on. And to do that, it's really easy. All you have to do is click our channel name, and then go in the upper right hand corner, there's a little bell. Click that and select all. That way you are notified when we have new videos and also when we do our giveaways. And we'll also be doing major giveaways on Instagram as well. So if you don't know, we do have an Instagram account. I have a new girl that's actually managing that, and we're going to be posting all kinds of exclusive content on Instagram. I'll put a link down in the description section to our Instagram as well. You're going to want to check that out. So let's get right into it, guys. So the Fire TV Stick remote, what's going on with it? Well, what happens is sometimes other Bluetooth devices are conflicted, or maybe it just gets locked up and you didn't do anything wrong at all. So we're going to fix it. So the first step, unplug your Fire TV Stick from power. The easiest way to do that usually is just unplugging the plug directly from the wall. If it's not accessible, you can actually remove it directly here on the Fire TV Stick. Just unplug it and wait 60 seconds. All right, so you've been patient and you waited 60 seconds. So your Fire TV Stick will effectively be what's called a hard turn off. So it's actually completely off for 60 seconds. Super important that you do that, guys. That is the first step. The second step is going to be using a code on your remote. So I will put a diagram right here of the exact combination that you want to do. Now this is for 12 seconds. You want to press these 3 buttons at the same time. It's the left directional pad, the menu button, which is the 3 dashed lines, and the back button. You have to hit all 3 of those at the same time. Hold them down for 12 seconds, not 5 seconds, not 30 seconds, around 12 seconds. Depending on the model Fire Stick you have, it may blink at the top, it may not, doesn't matter. If you held it for 12 seconds, you're good. Now let go. Next step, wait 5 seconds. Just be patient and wait. All right, now that you've waited 5 seconds, what's the next step? Well, we're going to make sure that you did reset your remote, because that should have reset it, but just to make sure, we're going to do one more step. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the back off of your remote, and we're going to take your batteries out. Literally just take your batteries out of the remote. If you know for sure they're good batteries, you can put them back in after, but take them out for now and wait. Okay, so they're out. Set your remote down, nothing. You're done with your remote for now. Now what I need you to do is go ahead and plug your Fire TV Stick back in. Again, the batteries are out of the remote, and I'm going to have you go ahead and plug your Fire TV Stick back in. So to the power, not the TV should always be plugged in right here, but to the power to your stick or the outlet, whichever method you chose to do, go ahead and plug it back in. Now I need you again to wait 60 seconds. Now, by waiting 60 seconds, it's just giving your Fire TV Stick a chance to really go through all of the functions. What happens sometimes is people will try to reset their remote, and it doesn't give the Fire Stick a chance to fully load up. So we're gonna load that Fire Stick up completely. Once you do that, again, 60 seconds, set a timer if you need to, wait 2 minutes if you want, just at least 60. Now what you're gonna do is you are going to put these batteries right back in your remote. That's all you have to do. Put it in remote, hit the home button on your remote, and you'll notice you go to the home screen on your Fire TV stick. You can move around. It's going to be faster. It's going to work. It's automatically synced once you've done that. Now, this is literally a reset of your remote. There's a different process if you just want to sync it, if you're getting a new remote, anything like that. But if you have an old one that's not working, not functioning, the voice isn't working, any of those situations, resetting your remote will likely fix it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure, again, you comment down below, hit that thumbs up if you want to be entered to win one of these Fire TV sticks. I'll be doing that drawing as soon as I get 1,000 likes, so let's do it quick. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks again, everybody. Bye.